I hear it up there.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like
When deputies in New Mexico arrest a suspected con man, they're caught off guard when he goes to extraordinary heights to avoid jail.
Steven!
Bruh, in the air ducts? Hey man, before we finish this video, the title of this video is Man Escapes Police in the Most Unexpected Way. And you can see he was just up in the air ducts. He done climbed up. He's seen that on a movie. He done climbed up in the air ducts and thought he was going to somehow get away. And you know, it never works how it do in the movies. So before we hop into this, remember, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Romy Rome is in the house, in your mouth. Romy Rome, I'm in the house and I'm in your mouth. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high. Check your mentals, emotionals, physicals, spirituals. Make sure everything is good there. And keep spreading the word, y'all. Keep spreading the word. Keep getting it out there. Still slowly on this grind of 2,000 subs. We're almost there. So I appreciate everybody for watching the vids, but I'm trying, man. I'm trying to get up there. I'm trying to get it up there. It's a slow progress, but I'm trying to get it there, y'all.
Get down! He's in the ceiling.
The following is based on official police records released to date, and some of the footage has never been seen before until now. On February 9th, 2024, Bernalillo County deputies arrive at the home of 60-year-old Stephen Byers, a man wanted on multiple active warrants, including larceny, unlawful taking of a motor vehicle, tampering with evidence, and contracting without a license. They catch him just as he's attempting to leave.
Get down now! Let me put my dogs down! Get down now! Okay. Get down on the ground! I am.
Let me get you.
Let me just put my dogs up, please. Let me just put my dogs up.
You have any weapons on you?
No, I don't have no weapons at all. Can you just open the gate and let me put the dogs in?
Let's sit you up to your backside there.
Okay.
Will they like listen to you?
Yeah, they'll listen to me, yes.
Send them up.
Okay. Thank you.
The deputies walk Stephen to a cruiser and search his pockets, finding tinfoil and a small tube containing 42 blue pills.
Can you open here? In there, yes.
What is it?
Fentanyl.
Oh,
Can you just please let me just put my dogs up? Oh, you guys got me cuffed. They won't do nothing. Please, you guys, please.
Do you have leashes or something?
If you just open the gate, I'll tell them to go and they'll run back
Lean
there.
forward.
There's only one problem. The gate is locked, and the keys are inside the truck.
Are they mean dogs?
No, they're not mean at all.
they sound mean.
Dude.
Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Hey.
Oh yeah, no, I'm not on that, dude.
While some of the dogs
I
are
wouldn't either.
distracted, a deputy is able to quickly reach in and grab the keys. But they still need Stephen's help getting them out of the truck and inside the gate. They decide to let him help if he's willing to cooperate.
Here's what we're gonna do.
Yes, sir.
Did you move your own cuffs to the front?
Yes, I did.
Why'd you do that?
Because I was freaking out. I just needed to just
Okay,
breathe.
here's the deal.
I couldn't breathe.
So number one, don't ever do that again.
Okay.
Number two, I'm gonna let you keep them like that right now because we're gonna go put the dogs in the yard.
Thank
They already
you.
opened the gate,
Thank
but I'm gonna have you do it. Okay.
With Stephen's cooperation, they're able to get his dog safely inside. And while that's one problem solved, they're about to have an entirely new one on their hands. While in custody, Stephen complains of chest pain and difficulty breathing and is transported to Lovelace Hospital for treatment. There, staff administer
Boy, smart.
nitroglycerin, a medication that can cause side effects including nausea. Eventually, Stephen asks to use the restroom.
No funny business. You're not gonna try to take off on me or anything stupid?
No.
All right, man. We won't even cuff you. We'll just walk over here.
All right.
No, you're good.
I know.
How they didn't hear him knocking the thing
For
up.
several minutes, Stephen can be heard vomiting behind the bathroom door. He soon returns to the deputy's custody without incident, so there's little concern when he asks to go again. But it's during this next trip to the restroom that a strange noise catches a staff member's attention. signaling that things are about to take an unexpected turn.
Hear what?
Like a, I don't know, loud sound.
I don't think so.
All good in there? Steven, you alright?
I hear it up there.
Does security have a key?
Steven! Get down! He's in the ceiling.
Okay. Do you have a key?
He's in the ceiling? Can we get him down?
He's in the ceiling? Yeah, this door is locked.
Yeah. He just fell through the ceiling.
Can't make this.
Oh my god.
I think he's. We need a key to this door.
We're getting security.
What?
In the ghetto.
How you doing?
Steven, get your ass out here!
Please notate in the CAD that my 16 is trying to escape through the ceiling at Loveless.
We're gonna get you.
He's not doing very good.
While hospital staff begin moving patients in case Stephen falls through the ceiling, a member of security unlocks the bathroom door. Inside, they find that Stephen had overturned a trash can, using it to hoist himself up through one of the tiles.
Steven! You're not getting out, bro. Get your ass down here.
Get your ass about the thing, Steve.
He's moving that way.
He's moving that way?
Yeah, he's moving this way. We fall through. Where are the lights?
Steven, you're just catching more charges, bro. Get your ass down.
Once
Bruh, just imagine you were in a hospital room and you're sick or hurt or maybe badly injured, or you're doing an operation on somebody and somebody falls through the roof and falls on top of you. Like, that would be the worst of the worst. Just imagine that. That's the first thing that popped in my head. It's like, this dude is climbing through the ceiling and he don't know what room he's over. He don't know where he's at. And if he falls through, he's liable to hurt somebody or take him out. But he desperate, bro. He trying hey, that fat is one drug that just make people do the most, man. And he would have the bright idea to get up in the ceiling and try to climb through the ducts and get up out of there. That boy crazy. He thought it was a smart idea to, in his head, but
the commotion
very
stops,
dumb.
they begin to fear he may have already found a way out. Maintenance brings in a ladder, allowing security to take a look around.
We just moved some of this stuff in case he can't clear.
I mean, like 4 rooms. Can we add that to the charges, like all this destruction?
No, yeah, we are.
Okay.
Just gotta get him first.
Hoping that Stephen may still be hiding, a deputy climbs the ladder to get a closer look.
So this drops down, and the insulation is pulled out that he might have went down to the floor.
Down right there.
what?
Yeah, like straight down under where the ladder is.
Alright, he's out of the room.
Let's see if I can get down there.
Once the deputy reaches the ground, he quickly spots Stephen crouched in the fetal position.
Oh, stupid, huh?
Yeah, I tried. Let's go.
I tried.
Didn't make you go through all that.
Why did you do something like that, dude?
Just got scared.
So now extra charges is worth it, bro?
Come on, let's go. I'm not violent.
I don't think you're violent, but I got him right here.
I just got scared.
He got him.
Well, let me help you up, or you want to help me?
You're gonna have to go first.
Okay.
He's right here with me on the other side of this wall. No.
Hey, man.
No.
He better be
We're gonna have to
careful.
climb back up.
You have detained?
We're okay.
No.
Listen,
How you gonna detain him behind a wall?
I don't really give a your word right now.
All right, well, let me get up there.
But he's gonna have to climb up to you guys.
Okay.
It's about probably, well, you saw where I went through. Here, back up so I can get behind you. And then, yeah, I have him. Here.
What in the world, man?
He's climbing up.
Okay.
He's going up.
Here, man.
Steve, get your ass down from the thing.
Back up, back up, back up. Step down, turn around, put your hands behind your back. All right. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Do it exactly like I'm telling you to. Do you understand?
With Stephen back in custody, it's now the deputy's turn to make his way out of the cramped space.
You all right, brother?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Can you make it?
Tight fit. Yeah, I was like, there's not many places you can go.
How the hell you get up there, man?
Okay.
Nope.
You got it. It's close.
Despite the near fall, the deputy makes it out safely.
You all right, though?
Hey, Sarge.
So is he finished being cleared?
They just gave him meds. They were monitoring him for heart issues.
It's that nitro.
Wasn't apparent.
Yeah, say you had diarrhea and then you climbed through the roof. I don't believe you now.
I did scoop before.
Should give you a raise.
Yeah, Sarge.
According to police records, hospital staff estimated approximately $20,000 in damage,
Wow.
including broken ceiling panels and pipes. After Stephen was discharged, he was permanently trespassed from the hospital.
I'm gonna retire early because of this. Mesothelioma. Can't breathe.
In a Facebook post, the Bernalillo County District Attorney revealed that 60-year-old Stephen Byers had a criminal history dating back 30 years, including charges of fraud and forgery, as well as multiple criminal convictions. According to court documents, following the incident at Lovelace Hospital, Stephen accepted a plea deal, pleading guilty to escape or attempt to escape from the custody of a peace officer and 2 counts of larceny. He was sentenced to 4 years and 6 months in the New Mexico Department of Corrections, to be followed by 1 year of parole. Watch our...
But who's going to pay the $20,000 in damages? Because he can't pay it. So it's 4 years, 5 years serving time and going to pay for $20,000 in damages, or does the hospital have to make an insurance claim? And how do you ban somebody from a hospital? What if he needs help? And that's the closest hospital. What if, you know what I'm saying? Like, what if he, I don't know, man. I'm just thinking out loud. But you know what I'm saying? To ban somebody from a hospital is probably the most extreme, because like I said, if somebody gets hurt, then what? Or if he gets hurt, I should say, not somebody. If he gets hurt and it's life or death, are they going to take him to the hospital and they're going to be like, no, he can't come in here. You better fly his ass somewhere else, because he damn sure can't step foot up in yonder. Crazy, man. Crazy. But desperate times calls for desperate measures. And he did something very desperate. He's one of those guys that's, you know, he's 60, but he's still, you know what I'm saying, like limber. He's still skinny, so he can still do, he's probably one of them dudes who can still do young dude stuff, even though he's 60. And it's probably because he off them blue pills. You know what I mean? So to keep him young, young feeling. But it's so many, it's been some crazy videos, man. It's crazy videos. That's why I always say, keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, because everybody around and that's going through something on these videos, these people are just, they're at their end, their wits end. You know what I mean? And they just don't see no other way out. Obviously. That's what he said. I got scared, so I had to get up out of there. So I'm going to climb through the roof and get stuck in between the walls, man. Come on now. Come on, people. We got to do better. Call a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know Roman is in the house, in your mouth. On the road to 2,000 subs. Once we get to 2,000 subs, there will be a giveaway, but we won't get there unless you guys don't spread the word. Get the word out. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, keep your vibes high. We haven't been going live this whole week, but we will be going live soon. Like I said, today we tried to go live, and it was just a lot of freezing on YouTube's end. It would cut in and out. So hopefully they figure it out. I think I got my end figured out. So Tuesday from 6 to 8, and then Saturday and Sunday 4 to 6, we go live. So hopefully I see you on the lives. If not, tap into the videos. You know what I'm saying? Put on the playlist, catch up on all the videos you missed, and then I'll catch y'all on the next one. All right, y'all be easy.